Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. So when you open your direct message on the top right corner of your screen, you can go right here. Now, if you want to create a message with a group, you want to tap the pen icon at the top right corner beside the camera icon right here. So you just tap this one. And right here, you can see the suggested contacts on right here that you're going to put on the group chat. So for example, I will put this one. These are the contacts that actually following you or following them. And just like this, for example, and then you can name your group chat right over here. So at the top, you can name your group. So for example, I will put new group 1 right over here. So for example, and then once you've done, you can now tap this create group chat button at this bottom of your screen. And finally, you have your group chat right now. So for example, I will create a message right here. So for example, I will create this one. So right here, you can see on your inbox that you've created a group chat right here. And if you want to see group members, just tap on that and you can see all the people that you add from this group. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.